Okay, so how can I deal with comparison and competition in school? Okay, actually this even boils down, even adults also the same thing. Even adults also sometimes that we are not so good in handling this part, whereby people will just compare us with, like, sometimes our mother or our father, right, will compare us with our cousin, our what, especially during Chinese New Year, right? 你看他可以这样这样这样这样，你可以看。So we will always like, comparison is like every day, like people will just do it, okay? So I just want to share, so be it whether you're an adult or whether you are a kid or whether you're a teenager, okay? It is very normal and common that people will try to compare, okay? Because there's nothing to do, ma. Okay? Or no, it's actually human nature, human nature. So I would say, we cannot control how other people respond. So if people want to compare, you cannot stop them, correct? Yeah. The only thing we can do is we control our own behavior and how we respond to people comparing us, right? So people compare is other people's problem, right? They like to do whatever they want to do, they can just continue, right? But for us, I feel that the only person that you should compare with is the person that you are or you were yesterday. Okay? So you just compare with yourself. Like, so if you, like for example, let's take example. Hi Raghu. Okay, for example, okay, like yesterday maybe let's talk about, say, math lah, math. So yesterday, let's say you, for this topic A, okay, you never do any question. Then let's say you attend Teacher Kenji TikTok Live. You did 4 questions with me. You are better than yesterday because you learned 4 more questions, right? So I feel that if you want to compare, you just compare with yourself. Because as long as you improve on your own pace, it's called improvement. It's already a pat on your shoulder and say, yes, good job, you did a good job, correct? Because you can never compare. There are so many people in this world. So if you're going to compare with, let's say, even you compare with the one beside you, oh, you're better than this one, oh, you're better than this one. But you cannot compare to the whole world, right? If you're going to compare to the whole world, then how? It will just stop you from moving forward. You will say that, everybody is doing better than me, right? Right? Actually, I know script one, it's just all random one. So it's like the whole world, if you're going to compare, and because sometimes when we compare, we will paralyze. And then you feel like, oh, I cannot move on. It's like everybody is doing better than me. Then you cannot do anything.